Rubik's Cube solving.
Okay, today we're going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. We've got these mixed up, and we're going to go through the steps to get it solved. There are 3 phases to solving the Rubik's Cube. First, you're going to solve one tier, then the next tier, then the next tier. Those are the 3 phases. And the first phase is going to be the white side. You find the white center, and that's going to be the white side. There's 3 types of squares here. There's the center, which is always identifies what color that side is going to be. There's the 4 edges that have 2 colors on them. And those colors, again, we're going to identify what side they're going to be on. And then there's corners. There's 4 corners here that have 3 sides, 3 colors on the 3 sides. So you start with the white side. The first step of solving the white side, or the first phase, is getting a white cross. You take a look at the white edges and look at what color they are on the side and match that side with the side that's got the center color there. So this is the green side, this is white and green. I'm going to move this around so I got the white on top and the green on the side. How's yours?
Well, all right, I'll go for a white and green too. There's a white and green right there. Here's the white top. Here's the green side. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get that set up where white and green are where it should be. There it goes. So now I got my white and green.
I have a white and blue here, and they happen to be already on the white and blue side, so that's good.
Now I do too.
Okay, so then I look, here's a white side over here that's in the middle. That's the edge that's white, and the other color is red. So I want to move this down to the bottom. So the white's on the bottom, the red's on the side, and rotate the bottom part until I can get that red matched up with the red center. And now flip that up on the top. Now I have a white part of the cross and a red one here. How you doing?
Pretty good. I'm just gonna hopefully put this in the right spot. So white and red. If I do everything right, there's blue, red, green. So now I'm just left with white and orange.
Okay, so I look around to see where the white and orange one is. It's got the white on the side. And so in my case, what I'm going to do is turn this over so that the white is in this area where there's not part of the cross, and flip it, turn it a little bit so that the white is on the side. And then I can take this white to get it on the bottom. I move this whole edge here forward. The white's on the bottom now. I'm going to move that bottom around so that I can take this side I moved out of the way and put it back up so I won't lose the blue and the white. Now I know I have a white on the bottom, orange on the orange side. I can turn it over. Now I have the white cross. The orange is on the orange side, green, green, red, red, and blue, blue, just like I want. So the first step of solving this top tier is done. You're in the same boat?
Good.
Next thing is these corners. You want to find a white corner, and the corners have 3 colors. And you want to find the white corners that are down, the easiest to find are the ones that are on the bottom row here. And in this case, I have one right here that's on the corner. And you look to see what color is on the other side. It's red. You match the red with the red side of the cube. In this case, here's the red side of the cube. I take this white corner and move it around until the red is on the red side of the cube. Then I'm going to do a algorithm, or a set of moves that I call away, down, back, back. I look at the white and I'm going to move it. I want to put it up here. So I move it away from the area that I want to put it in. bring the area I want to put it in down. So I'm going away and then down. Then I put that back, and then I put the side back. Now I put that white right up on top. I put the green and the red in the right place. Once I've got this corner done, I look around for another corner on the bottom, and I don't have one in my case. So looking here, I see there's a white corner here. I know that if I turn this cube so that I can move this around that way, I now have a white on the bottom row. I move it out of the way so I can put these two whites back. Now I have a white here, and the color on the side is red. I want to match the red with the red side, and that's there. Then I'll look at the white and go away, down with the side I want to put it on, back, back. Now I have that white, red, blue corner done. Again, I'll look around the bottom to see if I have a white one down there. Here's a white one right here. It's got a green side to it. I'm going to match the green with the green side here. Look at the white. I'm going to go away, which means I'm going to turn it this way, away from the side I'm going to put it on. Down, bringing down the side I want to put it on. Back, and then that whole side back. Now I've got the white, orange, green in the right place. Now there's only one more to go. I look to see if it's on this bottom row. It's not there. It's up here at the top. To get it onto the bottom row, all I have to do is move that down, then move it out of the way so that I can put these two whites back up. Find it again, it's right here. I'm going to go away from where I want to put it. Wait. First I have to match the side. So I have to go to the blue side. Where did I go? There it is, blue side. Look at the white. I'm going to go away, back. I'm going to say away, down, back, back. Away, bring down the side I want to put it on, put it back, and put this back. Now I have the whole white side down here, correct on the top. I have all the blues in a row, the reds, the greens, the oranges. So phase one of the solution is completed. Yours is in the same position.
Solid.
The next phase is getting this next layer done. And since the ones in the middle, they don't move, they identify what color each side is, so you don't worry about those. All you have to worry about is these edges, which I have two colors. This one's green and red, this one's orange and yellow, blue, orange, all these edges. I want to put them in the right places. So what you do is you look for the edges on the bottom. There's one on each side. And you look for edges that don't have yellow. Here's a red one, has a blue. So now I have this edge does not have a yellow. I'm going to move this red until it matches the red side, which is right there. The bottom is blue, so the blue side is over here, green side is over here. We're going to go away, down, back, back twice. I'll show you when we do this to get it up there where we want it to go. So the red and it's blue on the bottom. I'm going to move this edge away from the side I want to put it on, because that's the blue side. I'm going to put the blue side down, that's away down. Then I'm going to bring that back, and I'm going to bring this back, and what I've done is misplaced this white up here. I turn it so that I can see the white here, and I'm going to go away, down, back, back, placing this back where it goes. Away, down, back, back. Now I placed this red and blue edge right there, and I've got the top still the way I want it.
All right, so I'm in a similar situation. Got an orange and blue here.
Mm-hmm.
Here's orange side, here's blue side.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm gonna take this blue and move it away from the orange side, like that.
No, you started with the orange side matching the orange side?
Orange side matching orange side.
Yeah. The blue's going to go away from the blue side. The blue side's here. You're putting it the wrong way.
All right, exactly the opposite from the blue. Okay.
Yeah, and then you're going to bring the blue side down.
Blue side down, like that?
No. This is the blue side. Bring it down.
bring the blue side down with that.
Now you're going to go back with that whole bottom row.
All right.
And this side over here, back up. Now
Alright.
you misplaced that white.
All right.
Orient it so you're looking at the white. Go away, down, back, back. No, no, no. Away. You're looking at this. Which way is way? That's this way.
All right.
Down, back, back.
Cool. So the red and the orange, or the blue and the orange, are now where they should be. Cool.
Okay. Now I'm looking for another one down at the bottom that doesn't have yellow. I've got an orange and a blue like what you had. So the blue's over here. I'm gonna go away on the bottom row, taking that away from the blue side, bringing the blue side down, bringing this back, see the white. I misplaced the white, now there's the white. Okay, so now the white, I'm gonna go away. I wanna put it back up here. Put the white away, bring this side down, back, bring that back. Now I replaced the whole white side, and I put that blue orange edge right there.
Cool.
So find another edge on the bottom that doesn't have yellow.
There is not one. 3 yellows and then another 4th one with the yellow on it. So,
Okay. We'll take care of that in a second. I have an orange and a green. The green's on that side. I'm taking the orange, matching it with the middle where it's supposed to be, but I'm taking, because it's got a green, I'm gonna move it away from the green side, bringing the green side down, bringing the bottom row back, bringing the orange side back. Now I've got that white right there. I'm gonna go away, down,
okay, yeah.
back, and back, and now I place that right there. So I've got one more here, red and green. So I've got them in the right spot. The green's gonna go on this side, so I'm gonna go away, down, back, back, locate the white, right there, looking at the white, go away, down, back, back. Now I've got this whole second tier done. So my second phase is done. You have no edges on the bottom that don't have yellow. So what you're gonna do is just pick one that's not right,
Okay.
and treat that one, this one here, like you're gonna put it there, okay?
All right.
So you're gonna go away from this side. Take the bottom row and move it around away.
What side do I want to put it away from? Orange?
This side, you're gonna put it here, so you're gonna go away.
Alright.
There you go. Now bring this side down. Gonna put it back, put that side back up. Now you look for the white, look
Alright.
right at the white and go away, down, back, back.
Wait, like that?
No, no, away is, if
Okay.
you're on the right side, you wanna move it to the left. That's away. Down, back, back, okay? So now you look around the bottom and see if you've got an
There you go.
edge that
Yeah,
doesn't have,
There's the edge.
okay? Then start,
So
use
we'll
that
get
to
that
wait.
to red. So we'll get that all the way to red. All right, so we got the red with the red. And that's green, so I'll get the opposite of green. There's green. It'll be on the opposite side.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the green side. Then bring that there. Bring that there. Then away again.
No.
Okay.
Orient
like
the,
that.
wait, no, wait.
Orient the white in front
so,
of you.
So you're looking at, now go away, down, back, and back. All right?
All right, so
Now,
now we
is
got
there-
that.
Is there another one on the bottom that doesn't have
Yep.
yellow?
There we
Okay.
go. So we'll go to the red side. We got red and blue. Let's go to the red side with the red and blue. Blue's here, so opposite blue is over there. Then we got the blue side. It's going to turn like that. Find myself the white. Now, which way do I turn it?
Away from, if it's on the left side, you're gonna go towards the right side. That's away.
Okay. Away. All right.
Down is, there
Yep.
you go, back and back.
All right.
Now you've got,
I think we got the phase 2.
phase 2 is done. The last phase is flipping the cube all the way over, so you're looking at the yellow side. The yellow in the middle tells you that's the yellow side. Are we okay?
Yeah, still recording. It was low on battery.
Okay,
That's why
so yours, when you flip it over, you've got the yellow cross. So
Okay.
you're done with the first step of placing the yellow. The first step of doing the yellow is to get the yellow cross. You've already got it, so that saves you a few steps.
got lucky on that one.
The moves you got to make to get the yellow cross, if you don't already have it, is
And by yellow cross, it's actually jiving with both sides of those edges.
yeah,
So
yeah. So to make the yellow cross, you've got to do what's called face clock, and I have a right angle. I have two parts of the four edges right. Then always the yellows in the middle is okay. So what you want to do is have the yellow orient the cube so that you have the right angle facing to your right. Okay. When you face it to the right, then you do a face clock. You consider that your face, and you turn that face clockwise, turn the top clockwise, turn I'm sorry, let's go back. Okay, I start with the right angle facing to the right, face side goes clockwise, the right side will go clockwise, and then the top will go clockwise. Then you go to the right side and you go back, and the top will go back, and then this face side will go back, and now you have a straight line. When you have a straight line, you orient the cube so that the straight line goes across from you, not vertical to you. And when you do the same moves, you do a face clock. Take this side as the face to go clockwise, take the right side clockwise, take the top clockwise. Oops, is that clockwise?
yeah.
This is clockwise.
No, that's counterclockwise.
Clockwise.
That's clockwise.
All right. Then you take the right, go back, take the top and go back, and then take your face and go back. And now you have the cross. The next step, which is already done for you because you have these matched, is to do what I call crossing the T's. You want to have this green on the green side, this red on the red side, the blue on the blue side, and the orange on the orange side. So you go ahead and move this around until you can get some that match. There's our green one matched,
You're
red
good?
one matched, blue one matched, and orange one matched. So we don't have to, other than turning that around, we don't have to do anything. But normally you will run into a situation where only two of them will match. In fact, when you first cross the yellow cross, you'll always have at least two that match. Sometimes it's two sides that are next to each other, or sometimes it's two sides that are opposite each other. And if you get either of those situations, you'll want to do what's called a right 180 to correct that situation. I'm going to show you a right 180, and it's going to take my cube that's right now, but I'm going to make it wrong by doing the right 180, and we'll show you how to get it back the way it's supposed to. The right 180 is if you're looking at this side as your front. Doesn't matter, in my case I've got them all correct, so I'm doing this to show you the right 180. The right side, you turn it clockwise. The top, you turn 180 degrees, and it doesn't matter whether you go left or clockwise or non-clockwise, 180 degrees is the same either way. Then you take right 180. Then you take this right side and go down, and you move. When you're doing the right 180, you're going to move this top counterclockwise, which is going to be this way, one turn, and then put take this right side and go back up with it, move this top counterclockwise one more time, and you have three whites in a row, and you're going to take this right side and pull it down, and that's going to mess up these things here. In this case, if they were already messed up, it would have actually put them into the right place. But now we have an orange here that's good, a red, green, blue that's bad. So let's move this green. Now I got a green that's good, a red that's good. So there's two that's good, and they're right next to each other. The other two are not right. So now, again, I'm going to do, when you have the two next to each other, to get them corrected, you're going to do that right 180 with a twist. If they're opposite each other, you do the right 180, and that will put them next to each other. If they're next to each other, like this one, I have one here and one here that are correct, you do right 180 and a twist on the top when you get this right 180 done. So you want to orient the cube so that the one that's good is to your left side and the one that's good is to the back. And then you do the right 180. You take the right, you pull it up. The top you move around 180 degrees. Take the right, you go back, and you move it counterclockwise, one turn on the top. The right side comes back up, counterclockwise one more turn. Right side down. Okay, what did I do wrong? Okay, did something wrong there. Right side is going to go down, turn it 180. Right side comes back up. You turn it around 180, so you have the three whites. Turn that back down.
It's not three whites though.
It's not three whites? Oh yeah, I've screwed it up.
No, just get that white over there.
Yeah. Let's put this white back up here where it's
Yeah,
supposed
yeah,
to.
yeah. Go back down.
Round, down, back, back. So yeah, I've screwed up this whole second tier here.
All right, running low on battery, so
Okay.
no pressures.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that back where it's supposed to go. There's my blue and orange. Blue going to orange, go away, down, back, back, and then look at the white right there, away. Oh, I've got that really screwed up. This has got to be on the orange side. Okay, away, down, back, back. Okay, and that's not right. Blue to orange. Blue going to orange side, so away, down, back, back, away, down, back, back. Okay, back to that level. Go to here. I have a right angle, so I go face clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, and then I go right back in the top, back. No, that's not right. This way, and then this back. I have a straight line. I go clockwise.
Well, the straight line, this can't be vertical towards you, right?
Yeah, so I'm the camera's
Oh, okay,
here.
you're using the camera. Okay, I see where you're going.
That's that way. Then the clock. Then this way clockwise. Then this one clockwise. Is that clockwise?
No, that's counter.
Clockwise. Okay. Then this back, and then that face goes back. Now you've got the cross. Got a red, orange, blue, green.
Two of them are good.
These two are good. Orient.
Oh, you're good. No,
No,
those
I
two
got
are
two
off.
Two are good.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to do the right 180, which is take this right side. I'm going to put it up and do the top 180 degrees. Bring the right side down to me, and then counterclockwise one up, counterclockwise one down. Now with a twist, I now have the green, orange, blue, red, the way it's supposed to be,
All right.
just like yours. So that second step, first step was getting across, second step was crossing the T's. Those are done. Now we got to orient the corners in the right location. This corner has, in not counting the yellows, is orange and blue. This one is blue and red.
Well, let's do the orange and blue because I have an orange and blue at the same thing.
Okay. Well, I have none that are right. This is green and orange, and it's not on that right corner because this corner here is blue and orange. This is blue and red, but this is red and green, so that's not right. Blue and red's not right, and so I don't have anything that's right. You do.
Got one.
When you have one that's right, you orient it so that this one is on your upper right-hand side.
All right.
Okay, when you get that on the upper right-hand side, you do what's called the lefty-righty.
All right.
You take the left side, you put it up.
Up.
The right side, I'm sorry, the top, you do the left side up. Take the top and turn it clockwise. Take the right side up.
Up.
Take the top and go counterclockwise. Left side down. Clock will go counterclockwise. I mean clockwise.
Top.
Clockwise, yep. And then right side down. Okay. Now you look and see how they're oriented. The one that you started with that was right, where is it?
It was the orange yellow, but it's not in the right. It's kind of oriented. I mean, so yeah, I've still got all my things, but oh, you know what? That's this one. It's good.
Okay.
All right, so these two are good now.
Okay. Now
these two are good now.
this one over here is red and blue, and this is blue and red, so that one's in the right spot, just not oriented.
Check it out. Both of these came into play and are good now. So
Right,
it's
so
only
all-
these two.
No, they're all four oriented in the right place, but not the yellows are not flipped
Yeah.
up. Okay, so you're good for now. I'm going to continue doing the lefty-righty because I still got none correct so far. I got a red and green, that's not right. I got a red and blue, that's not right. I got a green and orange, that's not right. I got a blue and orange, that's not right. So I'm going to do the lefty-right again. I'm taking my left side and go up. I'm taking my right top clockwise. Up on the right-hand side, we go back with the top, down with that left side. Top will come around and put the right side down now, and with a twist. I'm sorry. These are unoriented again here. Okay, so I've got a red and a blue. I've got blue and an orange. I've got a green and red. Now this one is correct.
Yeah.
When I got one correct, I hold it in my upper right-hand side. I go left up, top around, right up, top back, left down, top around again, and then I'm back. That was the lefty-righty. I still have the blue, and then a twist, I'm sorry, to twist these back. So I have the red and green. I have the blue and orange. They're still wrong. So leaving the one that's correct again in my upper right-hand corner, I'm going to go left, top around, right, top back, left down, top around, and left down, and then a twist. And now I've got this one in the right place. I've got a blue and a red in the right place. I've got an orange and blue in the right place. Like you, they're all in the right place. They're just not oriented right. Now you take, in your case, you've got two yellows pointed to the outside, right? Mm-hmm. Orient it so that those yellows are pointing to your right-hand side, right? And you take this, you're going to do the right 180, left 180.
Okay.
And then a twist at the, I think there's a twist at the end. We'll see when you get to, right 180 means take the right side, go up, do the top, one time, not one.
Okay, you said 180, so
Yeah,
okay.
top, it goes up, and then the top goes 180. Okay, then once you do that, and I'll do mine too, right side goes up, top goes 180, right side comes down, and the top will go counterclockwise one turn. The right side will come up. Top will go counterclockwise one more turn. You should have 3 whites on the right side. Mm-hmm. Bring them down. Okay, and then go to your left side.
All right.
It will go up, and the top will go 180. The left side will come down. The top goes clockwise 1 turn. Then you go, the left side goes up. Top goes clockwise 1 more turn. Left side goes down. In your case, you're done.
Sweet.
Okay, now what I'm not quite done because I've now got you 2 yellows pointed to the right,
Yeah.
just like you had. So if I do this same maneuver, right 180, left 180, I'm going to end up done just like you did. So when you have 2 yellows to the right, you point them onto the right hand side of you, and you do the right hand side. You go up 1 turn, top 180. Right side down, top goes counterclockwise while you're doing the right 180. 1 turn, go back up with the right, 1 more turn counterclockwise on the top, bring that right side down, then go to the left side. Go up, top goes 180, left side goes back down, top goes 1 turn clockwise, left side goes back up, and this goes 1 more turn, 180, then you come back down and you're done.
Okay, and yeah, we still have battery. I thought twice I had to push the, don't shut off because we're less than 10%. All right, solid.
Okay, let's see what it looks like.
All the colors are solid. Just to make sure, we got all these and that and that, that and that, and all these.